Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So today's video is again a request that I had actually made this video in Hindi earlier where I have mentioned that what are the steps through which you can manifest your dream job or a perfect job that you want in your life. And somebody has requested me to make this video in English as well. So here it is for all of you. And I hope you guys like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that every time I'm online and I make a video, you get a notification. So now coming to the fact of how to manifest, attract or manifest your dream job. Now, there could be two scenarios to this manifestation. Either it could be that you have a particular job in your mind, you have a particular company, a position that you have applied for or that you want to apply for, or it could be you don't know yet what is your dream job, but you just want to manifest a good job for yourself. Maybe you're in a current situation, in your current job, you are not very happy with which could be anything, with the position, with the kind of work that you're doing, with the pay scale that you are doing. So everything, it could be anything. So you can use this technique in either of the two scenarios that I'm going to give you. Now, first thing is when you talk about, say for instance, okay, let me talk about the first scenario is when you do not have any particular company or particular position or something in your mind, okay, it's not something specific, let's say. It's not something specific, but you just want to manifest an amazing, nice job that you would be very happy to do, that you would want to do, that you have dreamed of doing. So what I want you to do is first write down the description of what that job looks like. So say for instance, you write it in present tense that I am doing so and so job, whatever that kind of job is. My pay scale is so and so. I work like this. I have a work-life balance. So whatever qualities that you want out of that particular job, mention it in present tense that I am doing this thing. Similarly, if it is specific job that you're trying to manifest, what you can do is you can start writing that I am working in this particular company in so and so position with my colleagues. So whatever you want out of that particular job, make sure you write it down very clearly in present tense, that is as if you're doing this job right now. Okay, now when you're writing it, think about it, how and what you want that particular job to look like, and feel good when you're writing it. Okay, so write or have a clear image. Even if you don't want to write, have a clear image or description of what exactly that job looks like in your mind. Now the second step as we come to is practice visualization. When that could be any time during the day, if you want to do it, just before going to bed, before you wake up, anything. So just go into that zone that you are already doing that job. So whatever you have written down, start visualizing that you are, if it's a particular company that you're looking for, see yourself going into that particular company, swipe that card, see your name on that particular card and swipe it, and see you're entering that premises, see you're entering and talking to the colleagues. Imagine your desk where you're going to sit, how it is looking, exactly how it should look. So touch, even in the visualization, touch and feel your desktop, your laptop, your computer, your pen, your notepad. See and feel, touch the chair that you're going to sit, feel that chair that you're going to sit. So feel every bit of it as if it is happening right now. It is very real to you and you are already in that job right now. So similarly, if it's not something specific, imagine yourself doing that work which you want to. Imagine yourself, see yourself being appreciated by the people, your boss, your colleagues who are coming and complimenting you and saying that you're doing amazing work. So see everything as if it is very, very, very real. Okay, so that's the second step. And the third step is law of attraction, okay, let me tell you, is incomplete if you do not take actions. Now, I'll give you examples of what are the actions. So say for instance, if you want a dream job, if you have a particular job in mind, you have done your visualization, you're doing everything, but if you don't go online on the portals, on the job portals and search for those kind of jobs and start applying to them, Okay, so that is actually the action that you need to take from your end. So go and take actions. If you think there is a particular skill which you need to develop in order to do that job, learn that skill. So prepare yourself. These are the actions that you have to take in order to get your manifestation. All right, so just keep preparing yourself. That is the biggest action that you need to do. Keep preparing yourself every single day. Go apply to jobs, learn the new skills that you think you require for that particular job. So start taking action from this moment. Do not wait that, okay, let this opportunity come, let someone call from that company and then I will start preparing. No, give out that vibration to the universe now that you are prepared, that when the opportunity comes, you're absolutely ready to take the opportunity. Okay, so these are the 3 steps that you should always keep in mind. And the 4th one is also very important. Sorry, I forgot to mention. That is letting go. Once you have done everything, once you know that your part of the job is done, do not keep thinking about the fact that, oh my God, when am I going to get that call? When are the people going to respond? Even if you get rejected, okay, let me tell you this. Even if you get rejected, supposedly, I have actually mentioned this, in my previous video where I have mentioned, which is up on my YouTube channel, where I've said that this is one of the most important videos on law of attraction that you need to watch. If you have not watched it, please, it's my humble request. I'm telling you, it's going to change your life. If you watch that video, you need to trust the process. So say for instance, if you get an opportunity which is like the most amazing, most the only thing that you wanted, and it has come to you. Now you're prepared, you're doing everything, but if it goes away because of some reason, do not feel depressed. Okay, that is actually the test of the universe, that how committed and dedicated and how much is your faith still intact, that yes, no matter what opportunity comes and goes, the right thing will come to me. So that is one of the biggest challenge, biggest factors where you have to keep your faith, your hope very, very intact and high, and irrespective of what circumstances comes to you, even if you're not getting that call, even if you keep getting calls which does not match with that particular offer or that particular job, be grateful that the motion is being set. So these are all things which are showing that you are still in motion, but all you need to do is keep your faith strong, keep working on yourself, keep preparing yourself, and the right opportunity will come to you. Okay, so I hope guys you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Share it with all your friends, family, whoever you think can benefit from this video. And stay tuned, stay safe, stay at home, be positive, be motivated, stay awesome, and trust me, everything is gonna be fine. I'll see you all again. Bye-bye.